I took a knife and I got him because he was attacking me.
You cut him? Where'd you cut him? Like in the arm, like bad, or you just sliced him?
No, I didn't slice him. I just poked him.
On November 9th, 2022, the Lake County Sheriff's Office responded to an aggravated assault call. The suspect, a 56-year-old female, was arrested after prosecutors said she stabbed her brother in the arm during an argument at a home in Wadsworth. The suspect claimed she was acting in self-defense. When deputies arrived at the scene, the suspect was reportedly pretending to be asleep in her car.
Yeah, 10-4. I believe she's in her vehicle right now, slumped. Hi.
Hi.
You okay?
Yeah.
Everything? Jacqueline?
Yes.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
What's the matter? Why are you sleeping in your car?
Why?
I was just wondering, because someone was calling just and making sure that you were okay. So we just wanted to make sure you're okay. You live here, or is that
Yes.
Why are you not in your house?
I came in late last night and I don't want to wake everybody up.
Okay. Did you have an altercation with somebody last night? Or this morning?
Last night.
Last night? What ended up happening?
Just a lot of words and stuff.
A lot of words? Like what words?
Like bad words.
I'm sorry?
Like bad words.
Bad words? Okay. Was there an altercation that you had with your sister?
I don't have a sister.
Or a sibling?
He started calling me bad words and stuff.
Who did?
My brother.
Your brother? What was he saying to you?
Like I'm a and stuff, and he hopes I die.
Well, I'm unfortunately that's happening with it. Is there a reason that you caused any harm to him today? He's at the hospital right now. So,
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
He's been attacking me.
Okay, but what happened last night?
I hurt him in the arm.
How you hurt him in the arm?
I took a knife and I got him because he was attacking me.
You cut him? Where'd you cut him? Like in the arm, like bad, or you just sliced him?
No, I didn't slice him. I just poked him.
Okay. I'm gonna have to have you step out real quick. I need to talk so we can just talk you out here.
Am I getting arrested?
You're probably gonna be arrested. We're gonna screen it with the state's attorney to find out what's going on. I don't know the full stipulations over what's going on and everything, but right now you're going to be placed in temporary custody. Okay?
And I'll lose my job and everything?
No, I don't think that'll happen, but you just need to come out.
What do you mean you don't think that's going to happen?
I don't know what's going to happen with your job. I don't know what kind of job you have, or I don't know what you're...
But I mean, if I'm going to lose it tonight, I'm going to lose my car and everything?
No, you're not going to lose your car. We're not taking your car.
Well, how do you know?
Because your car is on private property right now, parked, and you're inside
your
your
vehicle.
vehicle.
Yeah, but why do I have to go to jail?
Well, you caused harm to somebody. That's a battery. It's a domestic. He's your brother, right?
Yeah.
He's your brother.
So then I'm going to go to jail for a long
domestic
time.
battery is against the law. We're going to screen it with the state's attorney to find out what can or what cannot be charged, but being that we're mandated reportage, you're going to be charged with the domestic battery, aggravated battery.
So then you go to jail?
Yes.
For how long?
I don't know. That's not up to me. That's up to the judge. But my partner and my job is to bring you into custody and find out the details from all that, okay? So I'm going to have you step out. Come on, Jackie.
How long do you go to jail for?
Don't grab for anything. Just come on out this way.
I can't get my purse or anything?
No. We'll come. Just come out this way. Where did the incident occur?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen? Turn around. Hands up.
Can I get my phone so I could call work?
I will get your phone and everything for you in a second. We're just going to try to...
Right there in the purse?
No, it's in the thing in there.
We're just going to make sure we find out what's actually going on. And then, but like I said, you're being placed in temporary custody because there's an ongoing pending investigation. Once we find all that stuff, I've watched it. Listen your arm up, man. No. Okay, yeah.
How long am I going to be in jail?
Do you have the keys to the house?
No.
Whose house is it? Your brother's or yours?
My mother.
It's your mother's? Is your mother in the house?
I think so.
Why were you staying out here?
I wanted to get my stuff and get out of here.
Well, I have one in temporary custody right now.
Can you get my phone so I can call in tonight? I don't want to get fired.
Come over here. What kind of job do you have?
Home health care.
Home health care? What do you do?
I take care of older people.
So what happened last night? What was that whole situation with your brother and everything?
He's been attacking me. Somebody's gone into my credit card and wiped me out. I went and I got a report on it yesterday. And I come downstairs and he starts calling me a bitch and stuff like that.
Okay.
And it's been going on for 2 freaking years.
Okay.
And I have holes in my ass. If you don't believe me, somebody's been attacking me.
Holes in where?
In my ass. They've been sticking needles in me or something sharp.
Okay. Well, why haven't you made a report before him about that?
I have. I've gone to the police station and everything. I filed a report and report, and they're like, "Well, you need evidence. You need proof."
What were the reports that were made with police officers at the time?
I'm not sure. There was nothing. I went in front of the judge and everything because he knew I was being harassed, and then I stopped the harassment, like just because I'm like the bitch and stuff like that. But then it's like, well, you don't have any proof, and I'm like, how am I supposed to get proof? They're coming up behind me and getting me in the ass.
Okay. Is anybody in the house right now?
I don't know.
Is your mom at the house?
I don't know.
You usually go through the back door or the front door?
They usually going this way or that through the
Front door.
Front door.
Front door? I'll go check.
All right. I'll get your ID and stuff and everything right here. Just stay right there for a second, okay? You said your purse?
My purse and my cell phone.
You got a couple bags.
Yeah, you got a
Which
couple
one is your
purses and.
Pardon?
You got a couple bags over there? Which one is your
I have my home health care stuff and I have my
Well, you got a bunch of bags here, so.
yeah. My phone. Can you get my phone? It's in the car.
This one
yeah.
here?
It's work. How am I going to be in jail? And then my keys are in the car.
Do you have keys to the house?
No.
That gun, what is that? A pepper gun?
Yeah.
There's no other guns or anything that you have as
No,
far as
just a
weapons?
pepper gun and a BB right there.
Where's the knife that you cut your brother with yesterday?
It's in the kitchen.
It's in the kitchen? A knife's in the kitchen. Is it a bread knife or bread knife? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah. What time did this all happen?
About 9 maybe?
This morning?
No.
Last night. Why did you go to hospital just this morning, not last night?
Why? I don't know.
Was it bad as far as like the cuts?
No. I don't know. He just started calling me a bitch. I came downstairs after I went to the police station and filed a report because somebody got on my chicken and wiped me
Any
out.
dogs in there?
Yeah.
Big dogs? Are they violent?
There's a Doberman and my Chihuahuas.
Chihuahuas? How many Chihuahuas do you have? Did they attack?
I don't know. I don't know where they are. They might be upstairs. How long am I going to be in jail? I'm going to go to jail for a long time.
Well, I'm placing you in temporary custody. Like I said, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot provide an attorney, one will be provided for you. Okay, do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Okay. Like I said, it's an ongoing investigation. I'm waiting to find out exactly what's happening, what's transpired. This is just the information that we're getting right now. Like I said, there was an incident that happened with an individual that showed up to the hospital. He was stating that he was stabbed multiple times by you.
Multiple times?
I'm just saying, I'm just relaying to you what was said to me, okay? And they said that you were going to be here at the house and that they have a Doberman and like 2 little Chihuahuas, she said.
No one's answering the door, but I think the note said the mom is at the hospital with
Yeah.
her brother.
Is someone calling your phone?
I don't know. It's just not now. It's all black.
Oh. I'm going to place you in my car real quick, okay? Come on.
How long do you usually stay in jail?
It all depends on what it is.
What is this going to be a bad one, isn't it? I'm going to lose my job.
I couldn't tell you, ma'am. I'm not advised to give you any legal advice or anything or know anything about that. I'm just replying and responding.
How long do people go to jail for?
It all depends on the severity of the crime.
You've got 3 cop cars?
Yeah, usually we're being pretty busy today, so we have a lot of cars out here.
I'm going to jail for a long time to lose everything, am I?
No, you'll be all right. Hold on, stay right here.
No, that's like a bad thing.
Well, it all
If I'm
depends.
getting attacked, what am I supposed to do? And for 2 years I've been attacked.
I understand that, man. I understand, but you can't be doing that to people.
I can't get in.
Yep. Please. seatbelt on, please?
The suspect was charged with 2 counts of aggravated battery and 2 counts of domestic battery. Her bond was set at $20,000. She would need to post $2,000, or 10%, to be released.